What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, cool. What's up, everyone? It is Thursday, March 9th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, so today we are doing the show from Ra'Ministan. Yeah, today was really, really bad. I mean, certainly not the worst, but yeah, everything down almost 2% today, in the stock market. So, a lot of factors as to why. Probably biggest factor is JPOW. But yeah, definitely not a good day for the market, and even for Rainbow Bears, not that great, which we'll get to in a second here. I didn't make money today. I didn't lose that much, but yeah, it's been pretty rough this week, even for Rainbow Bears. And honestly, another day where it's pretty uneventful. The past 2 months have been pretty uneventful in the, I mean, I guess all of 2023, really. But January was exciting. It came back a little bit, but then, yeah, February, March, not good at all. So, yeah, not much going on today. But as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Let's see here. I think we got 4 articles today. Let me check real quick. What up, T19? Reminds me of like the calculator. I grabbed 399 SPY puts this morning. Wow. Well, SPY is down to 392. So that sounds like it printed pretty fat. Damn. Congrats, dude. Very happy for you. Nice, nice. When did those expire? Did you already sell? Anyway, congrats, man. Okay. So yeah, not much going on today. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews, live Rainbow Bearing. Today we got 4 articles. 2 crypto articles, one about FTX, update there. One about Silvergate Bank, which is big news that happened yesterday. Well, I guess for the past week. So yeah, FTX, Silvergate news. And then 2 other articles, one about JPOW and his testifying in front of Congress, update there. And then one about Biden's new budget proposal. I think he spoke about that not too long ago, earlier today. So we'll see what he recommended. So 4 articles today. It's pretty important stuff. Well, at least the Powell news and the Biden news. So that shouldn't take too long. And then today for the TA, honestly, there's not too much to analyze. What we got here? Yeah, literally, it's just Silvergate. It's just Wow, what happened to Bitcoin? Holy crap. Yeah, it's just Silvergate. Down 40%. Everything else, not too much price action. So we're just going to do... Oh, I guess XCLA as well. All right, so just Silvergate and XCLA, those 2 stocks. So that'll be pretty quick. And anything else you guys want me to look at and analyze, we'll get to that. Maybe SPY as well. Yeah, I guess we'll do SPY as well. So SPY, Silvergate, XCLA. Those are the stocks we're going to analyze today. And anything else you guys want me to look at. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Right. And then we will finish up with the YOLOs. We have 8 YOLOs today. So, that should take a little bit of time. But yeah, not too much content today. And today is Thursday, which is usually one of the worst days for streaming. And it's a bearish day, so I really don't expect too many people to come in and chat today. But hopefully people do. But yeah, this should be another short and quick show. Probably an hour to hour and a half once again today. Depends on how many people chat and the plays here post-market live trading. But today was pretty slow, so I don't expect much action post-market. Hopefully, though, because I didn't do anything today. But yeah, should be a short show. Once again, probably closer to an hour. All right, so I think that's everything. Yep, okay. Cool. That is the intro. So let's get started, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after the market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Okay, let's go. Boom. All right, let's do a scan here. Not much going on, but we do have some stuff. Just a little bit of action going on here. See what's going on. BNED. Barnes & Nobles. They have earnings. Oh, yeah, Barnes & Nobles. Do people even buy books anymore? When's the last time someone went to Barnes & Nobles, bro? Don't just order from Amazon now? Audible? Anyway, that's, they had good earnings. I don't know if they had good earnings, but they had earnings, and it's up 15%, so I'm assuming it's good. But other than that, yeah, there's nothing going on. Very, very uneventful day. So we'll come back to this, but yet nothing going on so far. And the OCE8 is pulling back here post-market. Alright. I really want shares on that. Can't get it. Alright, so nothing going on here. We'll come back to this. Let's get to my plays today, which I didn't really do anything, but yeah, let's take a look at that. This will be quick as well. So I did not make any new plays today. So 4 plays today. Nothing new. Still SCRA, ONCS, BLPH, and UNCY. So the only play I made today was UNCY. I cut that at 190. Ended up taking, I think $1,000 loss there. Maybe a little more than $1,000 loss there in total. Yeah, because it got upgraded by like 3 different hedge funds, and that's a big no-no when you're a short seller. So I noped out of there. It did run up to 204, so that was a good call by me. I just a little upset I didn't sell earlier because I did not see the upgrades until it started pumping. So yeah, that's the only one I cut today. UNCY lost. Well, I'm down like 1 point something K total there, but I lost like 800 today. But then SCRA up $50 there, ONCS up 360 there, and BLPH, unfortunately, this is down. I'm down 110 there today. So overall, yeah, I'm down today. How much? Down $300 today. So that's not, you know, terrible by any means, but yeah, this week has not been that kind to me at all. I think Monday was cool, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, no bueno. So we got one more day to go to end the week here. So hopefully we end on a good note. It's been a pretty rough week and month. 2 months. What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so, yeah. Still back holding 3 plays here. Wow, SPY is going down quite a bit in the post-market here. This is pretty nasty. That is not good for tomorrow. Oh, man. Alright. So, yeah, down $300 today. Not the worst thing in the world, but rather it be green. So, mini go for me here. Hope you guys did better than me, but I really don't see how you could have did better than me. I think everyone got pretty wrecked today. I bought 5 calls at 175, still holding, expire tomorrow. I have 19 149 Apple puts for tomorrow. All right. So those calls, those puts actually. Wait a minute. Wait, so did you sell your puts and you bought calls? Is that what you're doing? Puts, not all right. So you bought puts at 175, still holding expire tomorrow. Okay. That should work out. You know, congrats to you so far, Fat Tendies. Honestly, I'd probably just sell it first thing in the morning. You should be okay, but crazier things have happened. So you do this long enough, the highly improbable will happen to you, and that would suck if you gave all your gains back and more. So it does look like tomorrow is still gonna keep selling off, but personally, I would just cut it tomorrow early on and secure the gains. But you should be okay. You should be okay. But there is the small chance that SPY does moon over 399 tomorrow. Highly unlikely, but possible. So just be careful there. But congrats. And do you think my 149 Apple puts will print tomorrow? What is it at now? All right, 150. All right, this one's going to be close. This one is going to be really close, not going to lie. So you need 160. This down to go 160. So that's about like 1%. Very possible, but Apple doesn't move that much, so it's literally like 50-50 on this one. Probably a little less. Let me see here. If we look at Delta, we can get a pretty accurate number of how likely this is to succeed. So you did 149 Apple puts tomorrow. So Delta is 32. Oh, that's put. All right. So yeah, 32. So according to Thinkorswim's advanced mathematics, this has a 32% chance of working. So 68% chance this does not work, according to these advanced mathematics. So that's not, I mean, there's a decent chance there, but that's not the greatest odds. So you have a 1 in 3 chance of that working. So honestly, dude, I'd probably try to cut that one too. Well, we'll see how tomorrow goes. If the market opens red, which it sure looks like it will, then you can hold it. And this is not financial advice. But if it opens green, I'd be very scared, and I'd proceed with caution and probably just cut it in the morning before you lose everything there. So yeah, that one's a little tough, Apple. That put there, very, very risky stuff. But I hope it goes your way. And yeah, dude, not financial advice, but the way you handle that, I think, yeah, like I said, if it opens red, hold. If it goes up, if it goes green, probably want to cut. But yeah, good luck to you, man. Curious to see how that goes. So I don't think you're on Discord, but yeah, let me know how that goes, dude. All right, cool. Koya, there are no after. We're gonna do another scan here. Oh wait, no, never mind. I thought it's still Barnes and Nobles. No, there's no aftermarket plays today. There was no pre-market plays today. Nothing that crazy. Very, very slow day. Very, very slow day here. So there's something here. HGBL earnings. Yeah, nothing going on. Nothing going on just yet. Just Barnes and Nobles, and that's on good earnings. But there's no there's nothing popping on news. So very, very slow day. Hopefully something pops and I can make a play here by 8 o'clock. But yeah, nothing going on today. Just a bloodbath. Good old-fashioned bloodbath. Did you short anything outside? No, I didn't short anything today. I just had my 4 plays that that I was holding before, and I cut one. I didn't do anything today except cut a play. Very, very slow. It's been a while since I literally made 0 plays in a day. Probably a couple months since that happened. So doesn't happen very often. And I was pretty bored today. My degen bug was itching. Hey, but it's better to lose nothing than be in the red. Well, I guess I did lose $300 today. More right now in the post market. Probably lost 400, whatever. T19 says I'm up 311% and held. Yeah, I'll sell around 10 probably. 10 o'clock. Okay, good plan. Yeah, 311%. You got to be really happy with that. That is insane. That is fat tendies. So congrats there. Should work out. Should expire. Pretty deep in the money. But yeah, never a bad thing to be overly cautious. But yeah, congrats there, man. Enjoy your tendies, and good luck to you on the Apple puts. And I appreciate you watching the show. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. Alright, let's get to the plays, or not the plays, the watch list today. So we're not going to spend too much time, I don't think, because literally everything's in the red here. Yeah, literally everything. Alright, cool. Oh, it was 420. Now it's 421. Missed it. Okay. Cool. Gonna take a quick drink and we will run down the watch list here. Yeah, so the only thing really worth going for today was OCEA. That's still up 111% post-market. And I've been trying to short that all day, and it's not giving me any shares, so hopefully I can get that now or tomorrow morning. That'd be a crazy entry. Okay. 1 second. Gonna take a drink, and we'll do the watch list here. Quick note. Random. I really hate seltzer. But I like mineral water, which is like kind of the same thing. But it's not. I discovered a new, not love, but I really like mineral water. So, yeah, when you pay for like mineral water or distilled water, I think that's how you know you made it. Paying for water. Paying for bougie water. Alright. Cool. Let's do the watch list here. Wow, what the hell? This is crazy. Look at the VIX, bro. Alright. Dow Jones down 1.66%. Nasdaq down 1.8%. And the S&P down 1.84%.
And it's gone.
Yep. This was really, really bad. Really, really, really bad. Absolute bloodbath. VIX is up 18. That's right, 18.32%. Up 3.5 points. So we're at 22.61 VIX now. Yeah, that's really, really bad. Well, I mean, 22.6 VIX is not entirely bad, but going up 18%, 3.5 points in one day is really bad. So, we were doing pretty good with the VIX for a while. A little bit. And we're right back to shenanigans. Alright, let's check it out. Let's start on the green side. And there's literally nothing in the green side. Biggest scanner is the VIX. That's how you know today was terrible. And then we got Intel, Chipotle, BlackBerry, gold, silver, and PayPal. There's literally nothing in the green here. I hear a ambulance, so my apologies, guys. Gonna talk over that. All right, and on the red side, literally everything in the red. Not gonna spend too much time here. But yeah, XCLA 14.5%. We will analyze that very shortly. Wow, Schwab went down 13%. What happened there? Dude, that's crazy. Crypto stocks getting wrecked today. I know crypto, Bitcoin went down a lot today. We'll get to that soon. Yeah, Riot, Marathon down 12, 11%. All the memes getting wrecked here. Fubo, Centro, BBIG, MicroStrategy. Well, yeah, that is a meme. Lyft. Wow. Did Lyft have earnings? I think Lyft has earnings, right? Because I saw Wall Street Bets is like kind of big on Lyft now, so I was wondering why. No, there's no earnings. It just got wrecked. That is pretty weird. Okay. Well, Lyft down 9%. One second, guys. Let me check something. All right, my bad. Just had to check if there was anything going on. Still nothing going on. All right, yeah, Lyft down 9%. Coinbase 7.8. Chinese stocks down. I mean, everything is down, but yeah, financials are getting hit really hard today. I don't know why, but Wells Fargo, Bank of America, we just saw Schwab. Why are financials getting wrecked? This is crazy. This is crazy, dude. These are not supposed to go down this much. Yeah, SoFi, Virgin Galactic, Palantir, Wish, Bed Bath & Beyond. Tesla down 5%. Wow. That's down to 180. Let me look at that real quick. Because I did say... Alright, so there's still a long way to go. I think it's coming back down to 113, but okay. Yeah, pretty rough day there. Everything pretty much. So even value is getting absolutely destroyed. GM down 5%. There was some news. We're not going to look at it, but they're going to buy out all their salaried employees. So cutbacks there. Netflix down 4.5. Yeah, there's Discover. There's too much to name everything, but everything is getting wrecked today. Growth and value. Everyone getting wrecked. Apes, boomers, and even rainbow bears. Well, I guess the rainbow bears got wrecked the least. But I don't think anyone made money today. Or if they did, it was definitely the rainbow bears, and they didn't make that much. So, yeah, today was really, really good for everyone. Hope you guys somehow made money. And if not, hope it wasn't too bad. But let's be real, no one made any damn money today. Maybe just a few rainbow bears. But yeah, there's the stock market today, guys. Everything in the red. Disgusting. Absolute bloodbath. No one's safe today. Alright, let's get to crypto and the news. Let me do another scan first. Alright, crypto and news. Wow, this is very bad, yes. Alright, let's give this a minute to finish loading, and we will do crypto here. Alright, so I was down 300, now I'm down 470. Go figure. Yeah, SPY is still pulling back post-market. It is below 391 now. Down 2%. How disgusting. Yeah, not looking good for tomorrow at all. Why is it taking so long to load? One second, guys. All right. All right, we should be good now. Cool. All right, let's do crypto. What up, Chilo? What's up? Do you know when the next rate hike will be announced? I'm not exactly sure, but I know it is in March sometime. So, pretty soon. Maybe next week or 2 weeks, probably. Not exactly sure. But, I know it's in March. No, actually, I'm not going to say that, but I'm pretty sure it's in March. But I got to double check. I think it's in, like, a week or 2. Don't quote me on that. Very soon. Okay. Let's do crypto here. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, here's crypto. That is down 6.74% today. Yeah, a little bit of lag, still loading. Whatever. Yeah, so even crypto is a bloodbath. Everything's bloodbath today. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin down 7.8%. Looks like 20K is the new critical support there. Ether down 7.6%. Holding 1440. Binance 5.7. XRP 7. Yeah, some pretty disgusting price action here. Cardano 5. Polygon 7. Doge 9.4. I sold Doge at 13, bro. Holy crap. Okay. Yeah, Solana 8.5. Just everything in the red. This is a bloodbath here. I don't think I've seen anything in the green. Why is this stuff not loading? Come on. Give me a second, guys. I gotta refresh this. Oh, maybe not. Just don't know why this is taking so long. Probably a bunch of ads on this or something. Alright, whatever. Alright. So on the green side, we got a whole 1, 2, 3, 4 coins in the green. Biggest gainer is Binary X. Old, 5.5%. Clayton, 4%. Aptos, 1.5%. And then Pax Gold, 0.55%. And that's it for the coins in the green. So, yeah, not many coins in the green. Not much price action. Not much value. So, disgusting day here in crypto on the green side. And on the red side, so 95% of the coins in the red here. Let's give it a second. Yeah, 95% of the coins in the red. Major price action. Many coins in the double digits here. Many coins. And yeah, value is pretty deep in the red, so. Absolute bloodbath here. Biggest loser is Huobi. I don't know why. That's down 21%. Yeah, ApeCoin, Bone Shiba Swap, Sheeb. Yeah. So again, absolute bloodbath here in crypto. It does appear like it was more altcoins than value, though. Although there is a good amount of value in the red, but... yeah, I guess everything is in the red. But yeah, so disgusting day in the stock market. Disgusting day in crypto. All around good. Pretty hard not to lose money today. So, yep. Absolutely disgusting. Sorry, guys. Hang in there, and, hopefully tomorrow is better, and hopefully the market recovers. But, hey. In this market, who knows? Anything is possible. Alright, cool. Let's get on to the news. Alright, now it's done loading, of course. Alright, guys. Once again today, we have 4 articles. One about FTX, one about Silvergate and Signature, one about JPAL, and one about Joe Biden. Alright, let's do it. So, FTX to sell remaining interest in Sequoia Capital to Abu Dhabi Sovereign Wealth Fund. I didn't even know FTX had a stake in Sequoia. Well, I know Sequoia invested in them, but I didn't know they bought a stake in it. But apparently they did, and I know they had a stake in Robinhood, but I didn't know about they had a stake in Sequoia. Anyway, so yeah, they're gonna sell their stake in Sequoia to Abu Dhabi for $45 million. And it's supposed to close the end of this month. And they're going to sell off Ledger X, embed FTX Japan, and FTX Europe. And they are... oh, it's about Voyager. Anyway. So yeah, FTX still doing their bankruptcy stuff, liquidating whatever money they can. So, yes, they're selling off their stake in Sequoia, $45 million, which is a little bit of the $10 billion that they lost. Better than nothing. So probably next they'll sell Robinhood, they'll sell their other stuff, their other stakes. And, so, this is good. More money for the people. When it's all said and done, we'll see how much money they recover. But, yeah. The guy's doing a good job, John Ray and his team. Charging a lot of money, but they are doing a good job. So, yeah, that's the latest in FTX. They're selling off their Sequoia stake. And I'm sure there'll be more news, so I'll bring it to you guys. All right, next one. Signature Bank's stock sinks 10% as Silvergate prepares to shut down. Things are looking grim for the U.S.-based crypto-friendly banks. All right, so shares of Signature Bank fell Thursday after Silvergate, another leading bank for crypto firms, said it plans to wind down operations. Signature's stock price fell upwards of 10% to around $92.40 per share, its lowest price in over 2 years. Silvergate's stock price plummeted over 20% to $3.88. Okay, so yeah, if you guys didn't know, these are were the top 2 banks in crypto. It was Silvergate and then Signature, mostly Silvergate. But yeah, as we've been seeing the past few weeks, Silvergate has been not doing too good. Stock tanked over and over and over. They're shutting down operations. So really, Signature is the only bank left in the crypto space. So if they go down, I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, just so Signature is selling off in sympathy with Silvergate. So I think Silvergate went down like 75% in the past week. So 10%, that sucks for Signature, and not really their fault, but and some institutions are saying to buy Signature. And some apes are saying to buy Silvergate, which I don't think you should, but we have a meme about that coming up. So, yeah, Silvergate, no longer a thing. That was the big news yesterday. Signature Bank is the new big player in town. But getting wrecked due to contagion. But yeah, the big news was Silvergate shutting down. All right, next article. Let's move away from crypto now. Let's talk about Jay Powell. In just a few minutes this week, Powell changed everything on market's view of interest rates. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell set out a new paradigm for how the central bank views its policy path, one that will apparently see even higher interest rates for a longer period of time. Markets now strongly expect a half-point increase in March, and the peak or terminal rate to hit close to 5.75% before the Fed is finished. What changed was the January inflation data, plus signs that the labor market remains remarkably strong despite the Fed's efforts to slow it down. Okay. So, in summary, Jay Powell said, inflation is not coming down as fast as the Fed would like, so they got to be more aggressive than they thought. And they're going to keep hiking. And I don't think that's what the market expected, and that is why this week has been pretty rough. Yeah, so looks like they're going to raise it by half a point. They raised it by 0.25 points. Looks like they got to hike it to a half a point now. Anyway, so I'm not going to read everything here. But yeah, Jay Powell talking this week. And he's not saying anything new. You know, he's pretty much just saying everything that he's been saying all along. And I don't know why the market is so irrational. The guy doesn't lie that much. He doesn't lie, actually. So I don't know why the market doesn't believe him when he says something. But yeah. Jay Powell speaking this week, wrecking the market. All right. Last article here. Another big news today. Other big news. Biden budget would cut deficit by $3 trillion over the next decade with 25% minimum tax on the richest Americans. All right. Biden's budget would also raise more revenue by increasing taxes on oil and gas companies, hiking the corporate tax rate to 28% from 21%, and allow Medicare to negotiate drug prices. The president's spending priorities include the increasing funding for early childhood education and child care, expanding the $35 cap on insulin prices to all Americans, and expanding free community college. The budget also boosts military spending to more than $835 billion, making it among the largest peacetime expenditures in U.S. history. Biden still faces the unresolved standoff with Republicans over whether to lift the debt ceiling. All right, so this was the big announcement today, unveiling his economic plan here. I think this is more of a pipe dream than anything. It sounds a little too good to be true here. So he plans to do this. He plans to raise money by taxing the wealthiest Americans 25%. And also taxing corporations more. So yeah, his solution is just tax the rich. Ain't no way this is going through. Not with the Republicans controlling the House. So it sounds good in theory. But this ain't happening. Maybe they'll negotiate and come to something in the middle. But this is not going to fly with rich people. If you force rich people to pay 25%, they're getting out of here, dude. They're stashing their money somewhere else. They're leaving. That is insane. And they also taxing stock buybacks now, which discourages buybacks, which is not really good for the market. So what else? So investments in early education, mental health, community college, yeah, defense. I saw there was something for NASA. Anyway, so lots of spending, lots of investment. Where's he going to get the money from? From the rich. Or so he says. So yeah, once again, sounds good in theory. Probably not going to happen. Unlikely. So yeah, I'll update you guys, but this is pretty ambitious. They know where this is going to the house. But yeah, this is Biden's big plan. Alright guys, that's all the news for today. Time is it? 4:45. Alright. So let me pull up the YOLOs here. Let that load while we do some TA and rainbow bearing, and then we'll get out of here. So yeah, we should be out of here in like 15, 20 minutes or so. Okay. YOLO's loading up. Let's do a scan here. I don't think there's anything new, but let's see. Yep, still nothing. Still nothing. Super, super slow day. Okay. So let's get to, what are we doing? I think SPY, XCLA, and Silvergate. Right. Okay. Wow, look at that big red candle on SPY here. Gah. Okay, let's see. So RSI is currently at 40. So, you know, below average there. Should be higher than this. It does look like some consolidation here. Let me, do another drawing. So, a very rough sketch. We are getting consolidation here. So that looks like symmetrical triangle, or it could be a descending wedge. But yeah, so this is consolidating between like 403 and 390 right now. So maybe 396. And then it should break out to the upside again. Hopefully. But yeah, this is consolidating, so that can be bullish or bearish. But we're going to see some major price action eventually. Gap down at 408. So this should eventually come back up to 408. I mean, it definitely will. It's SPY. But at some point, it's coming back up to 408. And I don't see any gap ups. So yeah, so not sure how low SPY is going to go, but it looks like 390 is some strong support. I don't think it's going to break 390. Well, it's going to take some massive selling pressure to break 390. Anyway, so yeah, consolidating right now between 403 and 390. Going to take a lot of selling pressure to break 390. In my opinion, it's going to consolidate around 396 and break out to the upside. It's going to break out either way, to the upside or the downside. It's going to, but to me, probably the upside. So, yes. SPY is looking bullish. There's really no bearish indicators except for the MACD. But, yeah, symmetrical triangle / descending wedge. Below average RSI, gap down, cup and handle possibly forming as well. So, yeah, SPY does look bullish to me. This is a decent price, above average price at 391, 392. And may pull back more, but, yeah, it looks pretty bullish to me in the short and long terms, based on the chart here, hopefully. What up, Zach? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always, and glad to have you back. Been coming around more lately. Glad to have you back in the game, dude. All right. Start of big gup. House at F your calls. Gap upstart around 320 guh. 320. Well, I sure hope it doesn't not come down to 320. That would be very disgusting, but not surprising. Excuse me, guys. All right, there's SPY. Looks rough, but you know, I don't think it's gonna go down that much more, and should bounce from here in the short term, but we'll see. All right, let's do SI Silvergate. Okay. So this was the big news. We just read an article about it, and you guys were talking about it yesterday. But yeah, Silvergate, major guh. They are going to cease operations. So this is not going to be a company anymore. So I don't know why you damn apes are buying this stock. Which we will see a meme about this in a second, or very soon. But the company literally said they're going to shut down operations. So why are you buying the stock? That makes no sense. These apes are just asking to get wrecked. Yeah, so technical analysis doesn't really matter here. I mean, maybe it'll pump a little. I don't know, but it's only going to pump if the shorts are covering. But, yeah, these apes on Wall Street Bets are like, you know, the shorts are piling in, it's going to squeeze, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, you guys are out of your minds. Why would you ever buy this? So, yeah, don't buy this, guys. Don't even short this. Although it probably will keep selling off. But, RSI is at 25, extremely oversold, undervalued. You missed a chance. For the big price action, at least. But probably going to keep dropping. And, yeah, the stock is going to delist. So, I don't know why you would buy the stock. There's absolutely no reason to buy the stock. Do not buy the stock, guys. And don't short it either. Just don't even do anything with this. You could have shorted it before or, like, during. Like, shorted it today or yesterday during the drop. But now it's a bit too late to go short. So, missed a chance. I wouldn't do that. And I certainly would not go long. Because you're buying a company that's going to get delisted. Kind of stupid if you ask me. Okay. Yeah, so technically it does look bullish, but that doesn't matter. The company is delisting. So fundamentally terrible. Don't buy the stock. And don't short it. Just leave it alone. If you're in it, cut your losses or cut your gains, whatever. Secure your gains. And if you're not in it, don't touch it. Not financial advice. All right, and last one, XELA. SPY at 17 times earnings. Only way is down, especially with constricting earnings across the board. Unless Powell brings the printer back up, it's going to go. Well, no one has crystal ball. And, yes, that logically does make a lot of sense. But, hey, we're talking about the stock market and irrational human beings. So, you know, sometimes logic doesn't work in this market. We'll see. But, yeah, logically that doesn't make sense. And plus just all with the rate hikes, you know, he can't induce a recession. All right, XCLA, so meme stock here. Favorite meme stock. Apes love this stock. Okay, so down 14.5% today. Is there news? I don't think there was news. No. Anyway, so this stock has been a total disaster, and it's probably just gonna keep selling off. It's gonna reverse split, and it's gonna keep selling off. So fundamentally, terrible, terrible stock, guys. I'm sorry if that offends anyone, but yeah, it's pretty terrible. I definitely would not buy and hold this for the long term. This is not a value stock. This is a meme stock. And over the long term, it will sell off. It is bearish. And it's gapped up at 5 cents. 5.05 cents. So this should pull back down to 5.05 cents. We'll just call it 5 cents. So that is about a little less than a 20% downside. So, yeah. I'm going to say short-term and long-term bearish on this stock, fundamentally and technically. This did gamma squeeze a couple of days ago. But, yeah. Created a gap up. This should pull back down to 5. RSI is at 46 right now, so fair market value, around $6, I guess. Anyway, yeah, meme stock, short and long terms, bearish. Do not buy and hold this. If you want to play this stock, buy it at 5 cents, load up at 5 cents and lower, and sell it if/when it squeezes again. But yeah, this is a meme stock. Careful, guys. Only swing trade this on the long side for right now at 5 cents and lower. But yeah, really sad. Apes still love this stock for whatever reason. Literally holding it from like $5 down to 5 cents, and the apes are still believing. Thoughts on Nvidia with its 135 PE multiple? Is that high? I know that. That's more fundamental analysis. But yeah, that certainly is not bullish. I think a lot of retail is going to get suckered into buying SI looking for Hertz-like move. Yeah, it's already trending on Wall Street Bets. So if anything is trending on Wall Street Bets, just inverse it. But yeah, I would not be surprised. Retail doing retail things. Gonna get wrecked. Institutions gonna take more money. So I agree with you. Yes, I think a lot of retail is going to buy and is buying SI right now for whatever dumbass reason. Yep. Well, I mean, it's not whatever. It's because they're gambling. It's not investing. And unfortunately, a lot of apes are gonna get wrecked. Maybe a few apes will make it big. They'll catch a run. They'll hit the sell button. But we know how this is going to go. Seen it over and over again. Apes never learn. Do you have a long-term portfolio, or are you waiting for bottoms? I do. It's my retirement account. And I just buy index funds and ETFs. SPY. I don't even buy. It's not even SPY. It's IVV. But it's the same thing. It's S&P 500 ETF. Yeah, I do have a long-term portfolio. It's my retirement fund. And I don't necessarily, when I'm investing for the long term, I don't necessarily wait for bottoms. It's pretty hard to catch bottoms. It's better just to dollar cost average when you're investing long term. Like every month put in whatever your budget is and just average down or average up. Sorry about the fire truck, guys. Gotta talk over it. So, there's a saying that time in the market is better than timing the market, and that is absolutely true. It is very hard to time it and catch the bottoms. It's better to just, buy it whatever available price, market price, hold it, and, continue to average down or average up, dollar cost average into it. That's how you long-term invest. If you want to day trade, that's when you try to time it and catch bottoms and tops and stuff, but long-term investing, I wouldn't really worry about timing the market. I just worry about I wouldn't even worry about it. I just buy it, don't even look at it, and like every month put in a couple $100, whatever you can afford. Yeah, that was a lot. But short answer is yes, I do have it. It's my retirement account. And I dollar cost average into it, and that's what I recommend you guys do as well in a long-term portfolio. Timing the market is more for trading, day trading, swing trading. Okay. Cool. So that was XELA. Let's do NVIDIA for Zach, and then let's get onto the YOLOs. But yeah, post-market, still nothing going on. Very, very boring day. Super uneventful. I wouldn't be upset if I was break even, but down a couple $100. Okay. Just at 5 o'clock, so maybe there's some new stuff here. Or there will be soon. Alright, we'll come back to this, but still nothing going on post-market. And the OCEA is holding up pretty well, not gonna lie. Which is good for me, because that's a pretty good price. Alright, we'll come back to this. Let's finish up with the YOLOs. Alright. Oh, we didn't do NVIDIA. My bad. My bad. Yeah, it's either a DCA every month or wait for catastrophic events, CNBC Kramer to throw the towel to buy whatever you can. Yeah, or that. Obviously, if a shock happens and you see a good opportunity to buy the dip, then I would never argue against that. But yeah, if that doesn't happen, dollar cost average is the way to go. And if you have extra cash lying around during a big correction, then, go for it, by all means. And inverse from Kramer is not official investment advice, but it tends to work. More often than not. There's even an ETF for that, so... I wouldn't inverse Kramer directly, but I would buy the inverse Kramer ETF, and that is not financial advice. I believe that we're about to have one of those stupid moments when buying seems so stupid because of the guh that's gonna happen. You're saying? Hey, we'll see. I would not be surprised, but in this market, anything is possible. Everything is just so irrational, and we could be totally wrong. I honestly don't know. I'm not gonna say it's gonna tank or it's gonna moon, but yep, we'll see. Okay, so NVIDIA. Okay. So obviously long-term bullish on this stock. There's a gap down at 259, which has to get filled eventually. But it's looking like it's hitting resistance here at 245-ish, 240-ish. So double gap up at 211 and another gap up at 150. So, that'd be pretty good if this came back down to 150, but definitely a possibility. RSI's at 59, so that is a little bit above average there. So, yeah. Obviously long-term bullish, blue chip value stock. But based on the technicals here, it does look short-term bearish. I think this will pull back down to 211, maybe even 150. yeah, so this has been ripping from 140 to 240 in, what, a month? 2 months? Which is insane. So, yeah, it's probably due for some pretty significant pullback here. So I'm going to say at least 211, maybe 150. So, yeah, short-term bearish, long-term bullish on this stock, based on the technicals. Last October, almost everyone was like, F it. It was the best time to buy around 350 SPY. Yeah, and then it went to, what, 4 something? And then go. Why there's so many sirens today? Mad annoying. Alright, let's do another scan. And then we'll finish up with the YOLOs. I'm gonna mute for a second. There's too much sirens and honking outside. And of course, now the scanner isn't working. Come on. Alright. Yep, still nothing going on. What is this? PFRX. PRFX. Yep, still nothing going on. Alright, let's finish up with the YOLOs, guys. Okay. So it looks like OCEA is holding $10. Critical support there. Alright. Canada announced zero rate hike for the first time in years, so I'm surprised that USA is expected to do 0.5 or 0.75. Yeah, that was also a meme on Wall Street Bets. Kind of risky. Well, you know, there's pros and cons to both. And there's arguments for both. So USA is taking the approach, we're going to combat inflation, even though it's going to hurt us in the short term. But, you know, we will recover faster. Just 1 year. All right, got you. And Canada's taking the approach that we'd rather have a soft landing, like Jay Powell said, soft landing, but, you know, it's going to take more time to recover. So, we're taking the more volatile approach. Short term, go, but long term, better. And Canada's doing, it's better short term, but not necessarily long term. Zach says Canada will flip flop next month. Powell is doing a way better job. Zach is Canadian. I don't know what it's like there, but yes, I would listen to a Canadian. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I do think the USA's method is better. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if they flip flop, or they start raising rates. Okay, let's do the YOLOs, guys. So today we have 8 YOLOs, few memes, some gain corn and lost corn. Pretty good stuff today. Well, this shouldn't take too long. Good content today. Let's do it. First one by Algamedi 1, whatever. Kathy Wood's flagship ARK fund tops $300 million in fees despite losses. What? Alright, so all this time, I thought she was just an ape and she was stupid. And that very well might be the case. But now I understand how this is sustainable. So even if she loses money on her fund, she and her executives are still getting paid tons of money for managing the ETF. So I don't think she really cares, although it is highly irresponsible to invest your clients' money like that. And I really don't know why people still continue to invest with this woman. She gets no respect from anyone on Wall Street, gets no respect from the apes. And, yeah, you know, she did seem like a genius before, but she's actually just kind of dumb, in my opinion. So, yes, if she wasn't getting paid this much money in fees, this ETF definitely would have shut down a long time ago. I don't know how they continue to stay alive. And she continues to buy the dip, and it keeps on dipping. On these stupid meme stocks. Like, she literally likes meme stocks. She calls them growth innovation stocks, but they're just meme stocks. So yeah, it just blows my mind how... Well, I mean, this is good for her. Maybe she's not so stupid after all. But I just don't understand how your fund can be doing so bad and people still continue to believe in you and invest with you. It's crazy. But, yeah. So ARK getting wrecked, but I think Cathie Wood's doing fine herself, personally. But at the detriment of her investors, which, yeah, she's not a good money manager. So maybe she'll turn it around, but I don't know. She probably should find a new profession. I don't know how she's a professional money manager of like $1 billion fund. That blows my mind. She's like... Well, then again, so is Jim Cramer. But he can't be that stupid either. He's definitely just doing it for TV. I'm Canadian, but only trade the U.S. market. So much more fun. I've never traded the Canadian market, so I don't know how that goes, but I'm sure that is the case. Much more stocks to choose from. Plus, to be honest, no one cares about Canadian monetary decisions. All about J-Pal. Yep, that also. Who is the Canadian J-Pal? Who is the Fed? Does Canada have a Fed? They should. Who's Fed chair in Canada? No one knows. Alright, so yeah, Cathie Wood go up, but she's just playing retail. Alright, next one. By Big Mike Vegas. Yes, everyone agrees. So we have an ape spotted in the wild here. From Nevada. FJ Powell. Yep. Nice. Well, you must be doing pretty well to afford that. To afford the Tesla, so, you know, I don't think you should be complaining too much. But it's funny, because, you know, during the C19, when the money printer was on, everyone loved J. Powell. He was the man. He was the hero. Now, everyone hates him. So what do you want? What do you guys want? Should have hit the sell button. But, cool. I like it. I like it. And then when the market turns green again, love J. Powell. Yeah, everyone and their cats are geniuses in a bull market. She shouldn't care since she's bagging all that paper. Yeah, literally everything goes up. You know, you put a blindfold on and you throw a dart on the wall and it'll go up. It's true. It's in the bear markets where you really start to see who's cut out for this. You know, real traders. You know, investing is one thing, but yeah, trading in a bear market, tough stuff. Okay. Next one. By Sam19809. The money supply is contracting in early 2023. Each time this happens before deflation/depression was the result. Alright, so this is actually not funny. This is a legitimate chart. So, yeah, this is a historical chart here. So, it does follow a trend. These massive spikes, followed by big contraction, and then G happened. So most significantly, World War One, World War Two, and this is the highest it's been since World War Two. And we've come down quite a bit. So, not saying depression is gonna happen, but this is not good if you look at the historical data. But most of the time, it came back to around 2%, which it's at right now. The only time it dropped lower was to 12% in 1930, which was the Great Depression. So hopefully it holds here. But yeah, this is certainly not encouraging. But yeah, not a funny thing here. Not a meme. But actual educational graph. Actually learned something for Wall Street Bets. Pretty funny. Alright, let's get into some corn here. Or not yet, not yet. Alright, this is by Sinful Sophistry. Peak Wall Street Bets. If depression equals SPY 240 easy, oh damn. That'd be crazy. Yeah, that's about a third away. More than a third away down from here. Sure hope not. Well, if you have puts, are you still? Yeah, I think you're still short. So, hey, I don't care. I'm a day trader, but for the sake of everyone, I sure hope not. We go to 240 SPY. All right. So yeah, peak Wall Street Bets. So, yes, this was 5 days ago. So this is some smart-ass DD by an ape. Very credible. I'm kidding. Sarcastic. Alright, so... let's see. So this was 5 days ago when it dropped 60%. And there's a 72% short float. And he says it's going to go parabolic because of a 72% short float. And today it went down, what, 30, 40%? So, yeah, this is typical. And 5 days later, yesterday, crypto-focused bank Silvergate is shutting down operations and liquidating aftermarket meltdown. So, yes, typical Wall Street Bets DD here. There was no numbers or anything to back this up other than 72% short float, which is not a good thing. I don't know why apes think that bigger short float equals better. I mean, I understand that it's a bigger chance for a squeeze, but more often than not, big short float means incredibly bearish. And it's going to take a lot of apes to squeeze the stock. It just doesn't happen. Anyway. So, yes. Stock is going to go parabolic, says this guy. And, yeah, went down another 40%. So, yes, this is why you don't listen to anyone on Wall Street Bets. Just look at it for entertainment. Do not listen to DD. It's not even DD. It's just... see, nowadays, going on Google and searching some stuff is DD. Going on Wall Street Bets is DD, apparently, nowadays. But yeah, don't listen to the apes on Wall Street Bets. Ever. And, actually, if you see something trading on Wall Street Bets that's not financial advice, it's probably better to inverse everyone. But yeah, I'm glad this guy did not invest a single thing in there, because he would have got wrecked. And I'm sure a lot of apes did. But yeah. Wall Street Bets apes being wrong. Again, as usual. Nothing new here. Alright. Let's get into some corn by OK Citizen. 22 plus 60K in 1 day off VIX calls in retirement accounts. Wow. Alright. Alright, let's get this straight. If you're 22 years old, So, great on starting retirement accounts. Not many 22-year-olds even do that. But, yes, you should not be YOLOing your retirement account. I don't even think I need to explain how incredibly stupid that is. Or maybe I do, actually. So, I mean, this is great. It worked. But he easily could have lost his whole retirement account. So, don't do that, guys. And these are FDs, too. So, I don't know what the initial cost was, the initial YOLO. But, yeah, he printed 60K today. So, congrats to you there. That is incredible. But not typical at all. Do not think this is going to happen to you guys. He played Lotto with his retirement account, and he hit. And at this point, well, you might want to sell. Got to be happy with this. And yeah, just enjoy your attendees and just don't do this. You're 22, you got 60K. Be smart with it. You can grow that wealth over time. Be set for life. But I have a feeling he's going to chuck it back to the market. Anyway, smart thing to do. So congrats to you. Incredibly stupid, but it worked. Great. So enjoy your attendees, and yeah, from this point, just, be smart, be safe, don't do anything stupid. Great YOLO. Just incredibly lucky. So, okay, Citizen, thanks for hosting. Congrats, and good luck. Be smart. Alright, next one by Who Ya Tappin'. 500% in 5 hours today. SPX 0 day till expiration. Alright, so he had a bear put spread here. So this is obviously not an ape. Or this is a smart ape, at least. The guy is using IBKR. Not Robinhood. So you can assume that he's pretty skilled. You can generalize that he's pretty skilled. And you can confirm that he's skilled because he's doing bear put spreads. He's trading spreads, not FDs. Options are tools for hedging, not lotto tickets. Or they're supposed to be, at least. So this is options being used correctly. And, yeah. And he printed 21K today. Nice. So, very, very well done. Very well done. If you guys are going to trade options, I recommend doing it this way. Multi-leg strategies, tools for hedging, not lotto tickets. You can still make a lot of money with protection, with upside or downside protection. So, yeah, really well done, really well done. So basically what he did was, they're lotto tickets with protection. So you cap your gains, but you also cap your losses, which is better than unlimited loss. So yeah, this is one way to trade options, spreads. Also, covered calls, cash secured puts, straddles, strangles, butterflies, condors, all different strategies that we're not going to get into. But yeah, this is the correct way to trade options. And he printed. Really well done. Really well done. Congrats. So nice to see an experienced ape. Not, crayon eating ape here. Well done. Well done. Enjoy your attendees, dude. Alright. Now Lost Corn by Pinky Smoothie. 65K yearly loss. Damsel in distress. I started day trading and then... and then BBIG, Sheeb, FTM... What is FTM? BBBY, AMC, HKD, etc. Be kind, advice, welcome. So did you start trading and you were winning and then you moved on to meme stocks, or did you just try your hand at trading and just immediately jumped into meme stocks? You could have inversed yourself. Yeah, so I don't really feel bad. I mean, that sucks. Yeah, 65K year loss, but what do you expect when you trade BBIG, Sheeb, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, and HKD? Totally deserve it. Just super ape stuff here. Were they options or shares? They look like a combination of both, actually. Like down here, this looks like it could have been shares, but here was definitely options, and looks like shares again. This guy said he suggests you long-term invest and dollar cost average. Yes. 95% of people should not be actively investing trading because it requires serious time commitment. Yes, exactly. And very wide range of complex skill set and rare psychological disposition in order to be successful long-term. Yes, this stuff is not easy. Is this a chick? Anyway. So, yes, expensive tuition here. Moral of the story, stop trading meme stocks, stop trading FDs. This is your typical ape, not the other game corn we see here. So, yeah, I don't know why you apes love meme stocks so much. In fact, you should probably inverse yourself. But, yep, typical Wall Street Bets portfolio here. Not surprised. Epic lost corn. Sorry, dude, or ma'am, whatever. But, yeah. Advice, not financial advice. Stop trading meme stocks. Simple. You know, buy stuff like SPY, Apple, Amazon. So 65K yearly loss, meme stocks. Not surprised. Major go. But hey, look on the bright side. You got you got 10 years, 12 years of tax write-offs. So yeah, sucks, but I really hope you learned a lesson from this. If you didn't, you probably should not be doing this. I mean, obviously you shouldn't be doing it anyway, but yep. Hope you learned something from here. All right, last one. By environmental ad 222. How effed am I? All right, Lyft. All right, so 6,600 shares, so 60K YOLO, or 65K YOLO. Lyft. I don't know what's up with Lyft. Why is the guy so bullish on Lyft? Yeah, I really don't know why. But it did go down 9% today. So he's down 4.6K. All right, so honestly, I don't think it's that effed. You can't guarantee that this is gonna make money because Lyft is still a growth stock. But it's a legitimate company, and it's a lot better than holding AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, HKD, crap like that. And their shares, not options. So, he should be okay. You know, he shouldn't lose, this shouldn't go down 50%. And even if it does, Lyft is legitimate enough to hold it long term, and you should make your money back at some point. So I would not have YOLO'd 60K into Lyft, 65K, but alright. Maybe you see something I don't. And yeah. So you're only down a little bit right now. Honestly, I just cut this as soon as it comes back up. I don't think YOLOing 65K into Lyft is a good idea, but you know, it's not the worst thing in the world. Pretty legitimate company, and its shares, not options. So you're not that effed. In fact, you're pretty good. I wouldn't do this, and I wouldn't recommend this, but you're not that effed. Just very curious why you would put this much money into Lyft, but all right. So environmental ad 222. Thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss so far. Not the greatest play in my opinion, but not bad at all. And like I said, questionable, but not that bad. You should be okay, as long as you buy and hold for the long term. So thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss so far, but you'll be alright, dude. And please post updates. All right, what up, low roller? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. All right, last order of business. One more scan, and then we out of here. So, we actually went an hour and a half. I thought we'd go an hour today. It went a little longer. What happens cryptocurrency today? It is huge crash. Silvergate. Well, that's definitely the biggest factor is Silvergate happened. Silvergate Bank, which is the biggest crypto bank, is shutting down. So Contagion. Yeah. A lot of different things, but biggest factor is definitely Silvergate. All right. What do we have here? Nano Dimension. Wait, what? Nano Dimension announces formal offer to acquire Stratus for $18 per share. Okay. Are you still doing crypto options call? No, because I don't trust it. And with reason, because Ledger X used Silvergate as their bank. They don't anymore, but at the time they were. And I did not trust Silvergate, and look what happened. So, yeah. Good thing I trusted my intuition there. Now there was Signature Bank, which, I do trust a lot more. But I'm still not sold on it. I'd rather give up a couple $1,000s a year than to risk losing all my crypto on some stupid exchange that, well, the exchange is fine, but the banks, I don't trust the banks. So, no, I'm not. But I'd like to. I just don't trust the banks right now. But I'd like to. Okay. Yeah, so Nano Dimension offered $18 per share for this stock, SSYS. So it's currently at 16. So if you buy this, you might make an easy, not saying you will, but this could be an easy 10% if you go long, actually. It's just an offer. 1.1 billion in cash? They have that much money? Really? Alright, well, yeah, SSYS is going up. They got offered $18 a share, so not going for that. And other than that, nothing going on. So really, really slow day. Yeah, I literally had nothing today. No plays. Very disappointing. And still nothing post-market. So, yeah, if anything happens, I'll tell you guys on Discord. But really, really slow day. Really good day and really slow day. So, I'm sure no one liked today. Everyone getting wrecked here. Be careful what we wish for. We got institutions investing in cryptocurrencies. So far, it is not doing well. Well, it was until they rug pulled everyone. See, everyone loved institutions when it was pumping, and then they rug pulled it. And now, yeah, now it sucks. Big institutions doesn't have diamond hands like retail investors like us. Yeah, because they sell it. They dump it on you, and then they buy it at the bottom. So maybe retail should not have diamond hands. Actually, well, you know, for long-term investors, yes, but yeah, institutions don't have diamond hands because they dump it on retail, and then they buy it at the bottom. So it was good when it was pumping, but yeah, when it's good, it's good. When it's bad, it's bad. So double-edged sword. Anyway, guys, yes, that is it for today. Cool. What happened? Why is the camera frozen? 1 second. Alright, there we go. Camera froze. That was weird. Alright, we're good. So that's the show for today, guys. So we went an hour and a half. I thought we'd go only an hour today, but we did. There was a good amount of chatting. And the news and YOLOs took a while. Anyway, so yeah, not much happening at all today. Really, really slow day. Well, today was Bloodbath, but pretty uneventful. Kind of weird. So, yeah, that sucks. This week has been pretty rough. March has been pretty rough. So, hopefully we end on a strong note tomorrow. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's show. Really chill show. I had a good time. So, if anything happens, if any aftermarket action happens, I will put it in Discord. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow on Discord and back here live. Okay. Cool. That's all I got. So I appreciate everyone. Let's get out of here. And please smash the like button before you get out of here. Alright. Good night. Chilo. Later. Cool. Alright. Let's get out of here, guys. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.